What's up, everyone? Welcome back for another fun Intune rollout. Today we're going to do the Autodesk Shared Components for 2026.6. If you've gone into your Manage or looked at Access lately, it'll definitely be there and give you kind of updates for security and things like that. I'll bring it up in just a second, but this is one of the tools that they're using, and you can find a lot more about it in the Trust Center, but a good thing to update nonetheless. So we're going to be running this and deploying it to our users because we are heavy on 2026. So if you come into your Manage Autodesk web page, you should see it under Product Updates. So you can see it here. You can go and see the release notes. You can see here they're just some security fixes and advisories that update and things like that. So we're going to talk about rolling it out with Intune. This one's a little different, but basically just go in there and download it. So you can see in my Autodesk folder, I got the install. This one is pretty straightforward. It's not a long one at all. You can see it's a -Q, so just a quiet install, and we're gonna run that. So we'll close some of these. So I've already installed this on my system, but just to show you, like, I do like to test it. Oh, let me make sure I run this as admin, otherwise some of these won't run in the test. But it's a super quick kind of install. So we can go to our folder. And put Autodesk. And you have to use the quotes if you have a space. So, there's that. And then we're going to run our PowerShell script as a test. And what did I do? Oh, I spelled it wrong. Like that. So we're going to let that run. Sure, I mistyped a 2. And this one's pretty quick. It's not going to take long at all. So we'll let that kind of run. Like I said, because I've already installed this, so I kind of know where it's going to go. Sorry if you can hear my dog going nuts in the background. But they're jumping around. So this one is going to run. Give that another couple minutes. Take a look at kind of the Intune install as well. After that, so I've actually started, as you can see, rolling this out in my environment. My users are getting it. A bunch already have it. Usually the failed ones happen to be because they have something open that it can't run while it's there, so it'll just get it on the next reboot. But we'll look at properties. See here, pretty straightforward stuff. Command line, you do just my execution bypass and run it. There's not really an uninstall script for this one, so you just leave that as an NA. Requirements, we just want at least a Windows 10 machine. And then detection rule. This one was a little tricky to find because it's not like coded as 2026.6, but it's version 1.10.0. So you'll find it in the registry key, and we can look at this one. You'll find in the registry under software, Autodesk Shared Components 2026, and then that's the version number. Don't know why it doesn't match what they put on the website, but that's just what it is. So we target this key so we know it's installed. Go review and save, and it's kind of it. We come back here, we can see our PowerShell is done running. Like I said, this is a really quick one, but it's important for security features. then you go package it up. You would basically go back to your Intune folder, call the Intune script. So we don't want the decoder this time, we want the regular. Pick our input folder, pick our file, and we're going to get a warning in a second that this already exists, but that's okay. So we can see this is going to be a pretty small install here. So it's going to create it in just a second. And we will be, like I said, I've already placed it. You saw it rolling out to my users. But this is a quick way to get this out to everybody. Don't need people to update through Access. Although you can use the auto updater in Access now if you have those admin rights. But I find Intune just controls things a lot better and keeps things where I want it. So that's a quick way to roll out the Autodesk Shared Components 2026.6 to get your security fixes in. So happy Intuning, everyone.